Let's create a soft enhanced look on Dana. Here's how. Starting with my color fluid in Carve, this will be her one and done eyeshadow base. Dotting this on and blending with a brush. And because I want this to be more romantic, I'm taking my color fluid in Boy Tears and tapping this on top. This will create a beautiful shimmery veil. And as my last step, taking the color Thorn and applying this as liquid liner. This will be matte, waterproof, and transfer resistant. Applying coats of mascara, then moving on to base. I'm taking a fuller coverage skin tint that still looks like skin. I love the glow this gives. I'm adding a bit of Carve to mix in with the brush. This will be her bronzer. Then brightening the center of the face with a lighter concealer. I love using Hardest as blush. Stippling this on the cheeks. Beautiful. And filling in the brows, then setting them with a gel. I'm taking a champagne highlighter on the high points of the face. This brings dimension to matte skin. With my hairline eyeliner, tracing along the lash line. I'm doing a combination of Carve and Thorn to contour the lips. I love doing this trick. Then for my full lip color, I'm taking Hardest on its own. A stunning rose nude. And that completes this enhanced romantic look on Dana.